Hi everybody, it's Kelly Sartori with Coupons Decoded with your consumer saving tip for today. I want to share with you on one way that I used a body wash. When I was on a cruise ship, I took a large Ziploc bag, I threw my swimsuit in there along with a few drops of body wash and water, and I sealed it up and shook it around. Kind of reminded me of a portable washing machine, and rinsed my swimsuit out and hung it up to dry, so I had a clean, fresh smelling swimsuit for the rest of my cruise. For more savings tips, visit my website at couponkelly.com. Get on my mailing list. Talk to you real soon. Thank you.